Alright, today this is just gonna be a quick video of the way the Eclipse sounds. If you've seen my last video, you'll know this is a Eclipse GS 1998. Alright, let me get it. Alright, that was that. There. I don't know if you can hear that little whistle. It's got a whistle from the cold air intake, which sounds kind of cool. Probably could take another video on this ride somewhere, but that's it for now. Let's see if I can get a better sound of that whistle. It only happens in a certain part, like a certain push on the throttle. It's weird. I get some under the bridges sound here. Alright, here I'm just going to put the camera up by the exhaust so you can kind of hear what it sounds like. You know what? I don't know how I'm going to stand this thing up. I'll be right back. Alright, that was with the silencer in. That's what I leave it in there because I don't really like the super loud sound coming out of here. So what I suppose just for the video I'll take the silencer out and show you what it sounds like with the silencer out. do one more video of it sitting here running, or I'll rev it a little bit. I don't really like doing that. It's probably not good for it, letting it sit and friggin' rev the shit out of it, but it's just for the video. So we'll do one more. I'll just put it under the hood just so you can hear what it sounds like in there.